Upbeat music plays. The camera zooms in on vibrant cleaning supplies and mop-related paraphernalia. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a head-to-head showdown between the H2O MOP X5. Now, before you say, a mop is just a mop, let me remind you that choosing the right mop is like choosing the right partner. You want someone who's reliable, effective, and won't leave you with sticky floors or a broken heart. First up, the elephant in the room, the price. The H2O MOP X5 is priced at a whopping $169. That's right, $169 for a mop. You could buy a fancy dinner, or you could buy a mop that promises to make your floors sparkle like they're auditioning for a cleaning commercial. Now, the Shark S7001? Well, it seems like it has a price tag of $0. I mean, really, is it free? Or does it just come with a lifetime supply of disappointment? So if you want to invest in a mop that you can trust, the H2O MOP X5 takes the crown here. But if you're looking for the best deal in town, just keep your fingers crossed for the Shark. Next, let's talk versatility. The H2O MOP X5 is like that friend who can do everything. It's a 5-in-1 floor steam mop. You can use it on hard floors, carpets, windows, and even your garments. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but for cleaning. Meanwhile, the Shark S7001, well, I think it's great at being a mop, but seriously, it's a one-trick pony. It wants to clean your floors and nothing else. So, if you want a mop that doubles as a handheld steamer and a grout cleaner, the H2O MOP X5 is your best bet. The Shark S7001 is great if you want to keep your cleaning life as simple as your love life. Uncomplicated and a bit boring. Now let's get steamy and talk power. The H2O MOP X5 boasts a mighty 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power. That's like having a mini volcano in your mop. It'll blast away dirt and grime like they owe it money. On the other hand, the Shark S7001. Honestly, I couldn't find any specs. It's like it's trying to keep its power level a secret. So if you want a mop that's ready to go all Hulk on your dirt, H2O MOP X5 takes the win here. The Shark might just be a well-mannered house cat. Finally, let's talk accessories. The H2O MOP X5 comes with all the bells and whistles: a microfiber floor pad, a bent nozzle, an extension hose, a window cleaning tool with a squeegee, and even a coral cloth for dusting. You'll feel like a cleaning superhero when you unbox it. Now, the Shark S7001? I mean, does it even come with a manual? So if you want a mop that's ready for a full cleaning arsenal, H2O MOP X5 is the clear winner. The Shark S7001 is like that friend who shows up with nothing but a snack and expects a full meal in return. In summary, the H2O MOP X5 receives mixed reviews, with users appreciating its versatility and effectiveness for deep cleaning, especially for those with allergies. However, some have concerns about its construction and durability. On the flip side, the Shark S7001 is praised for its ease of use and efficiency, particularly for pet owners. But it has durability concerns and may not last as long as expected. So, smart buyers, there you have it. In the epic mop showdown, the H2O MOP X5 takes the crown in price, versatility, power, and accessories. If you want to invest in a top-notch cleaning experience, go for the H2O MOP X5. But if you're feeling lucky, maybe roll the dice with the Shark S7001. Just don't blame us when your floors are still dirty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description.